Hey there. I didn't tell you guys my background, but I went to school actually for occupational health and safety. So, in other words, like worker safety with like lockout tagout and confined spaces and wearing a fall harness and just knowing those things, at least here in the US, of OSHA and EPA and that. Well, one of those items is actually safe lifting. So, being an Amazon seller and that we lift boxes and also packaging orders on countertops or wherever you are, it just seemed appropriate to do a little something for that. So you have this zone of your body, and it's basically called your power zone, and it's from about the top of your knees to about the middle of your chest. And what that means is it's the area you want to carry boxes and objects or whatever that are heavy, because that's where you're going to have the most power and where you're going to be the strongest. So if I'm carrying, this box here I have on the floor, I want to carry it somewhere between that area. One of the first things you want to do though when you got a box is you want to just kind of test it and feel it out and see what it's like. Like, is it lopsided? Is it weighted evenly? How does it feel? How heavy is it? This particular box is pretty even, so no worries here. And then you want to tilt it and try to get your hand underneath the bottom before you lift it, and then you basically will take it to that power zone area, and then from there lift it with your legs, all the while keeping your back straight. Your back actually doesn't do any of the lifting, it's actually your legs, but this should give you some idea of how you want to lift a box to prevent any kinds of injuries in that. Another thing is countertops. When you have a countertop, adjustable table, what have you, you want to have that also in about that power zone area so that you're not necessarily hunched over doing something or at the same time way up high, because again, you want to stay in about that zone to about the middle of your chest to the tops of your knees. So just remember these things when you're lifting boxes, and take care, guys.